Hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and I have some fantastic things to show you today. There's some super cute stuff in here I'm super excited to get to. This comes to us from Diamond Art Gift. Thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for letting me pick out some things to show everybody, and you're going to laugh at some of these. I can hardly wait. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Okay, first of all, let's start with this beauty right here. This is a little dragonfly, well, multiple dragonflies. Dragonfly and water lilies or lotus, whichever you want to call them. I call them water lilies. Okay, but it's super cute. It's a little 30 by 30 and it has 8 different types of drills. There's a lot of specials on the dragonflies. I think it's going to be super, super pretty. So let's look at it and see what we have. These are drills for this. 3, 6, 4, 3, 5, 4. We might have a problem right off the bat. So look, GSYX354. What do my drills say? 3, 6, 4. I don't think these are the right drills. Nope, I don't think they are. I'm gonna open them. We're gonna find out. But I just saw some colors in here that I was like, I don't think these are gonna go with this. I just don't think they go with this. Where's all the pinks? Nope, these are not the right drills. Not the right drills at all. Okay, well, yeah, like number 6, these white pearls are the 6s. I don't even have 6s. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here's the 6 right there. So, well, we're not off to a great start there, are we? Those are the wrong drills. Beautiful painting. I'm going to have to let them know we have the incorrect drills. It's off by 1 number. Shoot. All right. This was interesting too. Okay, before I show you this painting, let me show you the toolkit for this painting. This is what came in my toolkit. It has a hanging chain for a painting. I don't know why. It shouldn't, right? All right, let's look at it. Okay, I saw Liz. She's from Scotty Dog Krafts. She's in England. She's a hoot. She got this. I may look calm, but in my head, I've already pecked you 3 times. You know, this is my world, right? This was my life with those roosters, right? Chuck. Yeah. He would peck you before he would even think about it. How many times did that rooster come after me? I had to get this, right? Doesn't he look like he's got evil in his eyes? He's ready to come at somebody. He is ready. I had to get this. Had to get this. It's got 7, 8, 9, 10 different drills. Looks like 4 of them are special drills. I liked the color in it too. It's very colorful. And boy, he looks like he's ready to... He's going to come peck somebody, that's for sure. Let's see if we have the right drills here. Do we have the right number? 542. Okay, we got the correct number. We're off to a good start there. Let's see what they look like. If I can get them open. All right. Here we go. Don't know what we need the hanging chain for, but hey, I got an extra hanging chain. So we have some black drills. Regular black drills. We have some clear, red, orange, blue, a little bit of brown. Okay, that seems correct, right? And then these red marquees are iridescent. Yes, those are going to be the A's. All right, we have the big, big gold. I think the only place that's going to go is right there for his beak. Look out, folks. Look out. It's pointy, too. He's going to come at you with that beak. Then we have some red round pearls. And we have some blue marquee. Love it. Okay, I'm telling you, it's super cute. I just laugh and laugh and laugh. It's no joke, though. It's no joke. Seriously. All right, so the next one, now we got to just go on to more chicken stuff because there was multiple chicken paintings. And this is so true. I raise chickens. I'm literally a chicken tender. Right? I mean, I'm a chicken tender. I tend to chickens. Ay, 543. Okay, that one's correct. I love this. We got sunflowers. Now look at this. Is a nice bird. This is a hen. She's nice. She's sweet. She's calm. She's just laying eggs, right? I like her. This dude over here, he might like her. She might not be too crazy about him, but Okay, let's look at the drills for this. Again, we have 9 colors this time. 3 special drills. All right. Here we go. What do we have? We have some brown rhinestones, some gold, some red, some green, some regular black, with a purple teardrop in there. We have special purple teardrop hanging out. And this is a light tan brown color. Now we've got these green iridescent marquees. Those are really pretty. That's going to be leaves, all right? We got some gold rounds. That's going to be on our sunflowers. And then we have gold marquee, which are going to be the sunflower petals. Love it. I'm telling you, I'm loving the chicken stuff. The chicken stuff is so cute. They're coming out with lots of chicken items. Chickens on everything, you guys. All right, this one's really pretty too. I liked this one. There was a couple others similar to this as well. I'll link them all below so you can find the ones that I have. But just remember, there are often things that are very similar. You got to kind of hunt around and see what else you find. It says Wild Soul, and it's just this skull, right? It's a big old bull skull kind of thing. It has 6, 7, 8, 9 different types of drills. I love the sunflowers. I love the colors. That teal in there is really pretty. And then with the golden sunflowers, I thought the colors were wonderful. All right, let's check these out. What do we get here? So we have some yellowy orange color. Can you say sunflowers? There's a pretty teal. There's some black, some very pale yellow, and that's a brown. Then our specials are these round faceted in gold. Oh, those are stunning. Those are gorgeous. I don't know if I've ever had these. These are a larger teardrop. They're clear and teal. Beautiful. Then we have some gold marquees, and we have some little blue pearls. Very nice. I love those colors. That color palette. I mean, look at it. Gold and teal. Gold and teal. I love it. Okay. Beautiful. I'm happy with that one. Wow. Okay. This last item, I don't even remember what it is. Do not remember. I haven't opened the bag. I always have to open some of them to figure out where they come from because the outsides of the packages are not marked in any way, shape, or form telling you where they come from. Oh, that's what this is. Okay. So here's a toolkit. Here's our drills. And this is what we get. Oh, well, these are magnets. So these are going to be sticky. You're going to peel this off and it's going to stick to the back of the object. They're very thin. And then this is magnet. I hope they're sticky. Hang on. I'm going to test them real quick. Hang on. Go into the refrigerator. Huh? They stick. I don't know how they're going to stick with something heavier on them, how well they're going to stick. But we'll find out when we get them all put together. You can always buy more magnet too. You can buy magnets on roll. You can buy all kinds of magnets. I used to use them all the time at school. So what do we have? What are we going to put magnets on? We're going to put magnets on these cute little dragonflies. Look at that. Look at all the pretty colors in that. That's a rainbow dragonfly. It really is. It's got a rainbow up there. Got some special drills on it too. Love that. Then we have this one, mostly red. Love that one. This has a film on the back. You can see how it looks kind of cloudy. You're going to want to peel that film off the back. Look at her. She's pretty. A pink one. Love it. What else do we have? Got this guy right here. More oranges and reds. Love it. Ooh, green. A green dragonfly. Yeah, the green ones are really pretty. I'm telling you. And another rainbow type. Well, yeah, blues and pinks. That's got a lot of rainbow colors in it. Love it. So they're magnets with dragonflies on them. I thought they were super cute. So, and then remember, there's our magnets that are going to go on the back. They just stick on the back. Hopefully the magnet will be strong enough to hold them on, your surface. So if not, you can always pick up some more magnets somewhere. That's easy to do. All right, here we go. What do we get? Got some pretty stuff in here. Got a lot of things. Whoa. Okay, let's start down here. Pretty red rhinestones. Then we have some pretty AB pearly yellow. Those are very pretty. Green, a couple of blue rhinestones, another green, a pink, an orange. Ooh, these are the iridescent ones. I love these. These are so fun. They're not just clear rhinestones. They are iridescent clear. I love those. These are beautiful on whatever you put them on. They're gorgeous. Pink, a light blue, and here comes the specials. So the clear, pretty pink marquee, iridescent green marquee, some small gold balls, some gold marquee, some blue marquee, and these are the red iridescent fiery looking marquees. I love it. Wow, these are cool. I like these. These will be fun to do. These will be fun. So that's what I have today. What do you think? What do you think about our choices here, our selections? So we have our magnets. Who doesn't love the chicken stuff? Come on. I'm a chicken tender, and I literally need to go be a chicken tender here really soon. Extra chain for something, right? Cute, right? And then we have this guy that just has the wrong drills. So I'll be emailing them and saying, yeah, I got the wrong drills for this. This will be so pretty though. They'll probably, this is what's happened before, they'll probably send me a new one. And it may be wrong again because it seems that the factory has done these incorrectly when they package them up. So somebody's got to get with the factory and say, hey, listen, these are all wrong. You're going to have to check your packaging. So anyhow, that's what we have, folks, right there. There's our selection for today. Love the chickens. There's others. There's like chickens and coffee or something like that. Oh, they're so cute. I've been getting some chicken stuff. Love it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're new here, I hope that you enjoyed. I hope you peck around. You like that? Peck around on my channel and see if there's other videos that may be of interest to you. If you're looking for chickens and ducks, they're there. Just, look for them. They're there. Check the farm videos. You'll find all kinds of chickens and ducks there. But I hope you come back and see more videos. And thank you to everybody who's returning. The steady eddies, the constant supporters. Thank you so much. All right. I hope everybody has a great day. I got to put this stuff away. Sun's going down here in a minute, and it's time for me to go tend to some chickens. All right. See you soon, everybody.